In this video, I'm going to go over for loops practice countdown method. So in this one, we want to count down starting at our start value and then go down to 1 and then say blast off. So inside my for loop, I need to figure out where I'm starting, what my condition is, and how I'm getting from one value to the next. Now what am I doing repeatedly? I'm repeatedly printing out in a print statement my value followed by 3 dots. And after my loop, because I'm only doing it one time, that's when I print blast off. All right, so let's go through this. Where am I starting? Well, I'm starting at start. Now, I'm going to do something that you may be like, well, why are you doing that? And just realize, because I'm doing it because to me it makes more sense. I'm going to create a variable I and I'm going to start it at start. Okay, could you get away with leaving that part blank? Yes, but it's just good habit. I'm going to start at start. And I'm going to say that all my I values are going to be greater than 0. Also acceptable, greater than or equal to 1. And I'm going to go from one value to the next by subtracting 1 each time. So that's I minus minus. So I'm starting here. As long as I'm greater than 0, I'm subtracting 1. And I'm going to print that value, I, followed by ... And then once that's finished, one time I'm going to print blast off. All right. So here, I always like to have something here. Technically, I could get away with just putting a semicolon and saying start greater than 0, start minus minus, like that. I don't like doing that. I'll just create a variable. One advantage of doing it this way is that if later on I wanted to use the starting value again, I haven't changed it. I was the one who did the work with changing. This is still intact, which is useful if at some point in this method I'm going to need it again. In this case I don't, but again, I prefer to just create another variable like that.